Dito mga par, naglaro ako sa MLBB Rising Open Season 1. At dito mga Canfly, dalawa pala kami gusto mag-core, mag-jungle. Kaya dito, nag-chat pala yung S3 na ako nag-core.
The enemy is banning.
At dito, nawala pa tuloy yung internet ko. At pagka balik naman, nag-show na pala siya ng funny. At ang Karina niya. Kaya dito, hindi ko na nagtiis. Pinashow ko na yung matches ko sa funny. At ayun, nag-adjust na siya. At sabay sabing G.
Your team is banning.
Kaya dito nila ko na yung funny ko.
Here comes the blazing gun of justice.
My life.
Kaya dito nag-chat na naman si San na show matches funny. Kaya dito pinagbigyan ko na at nag-show ulit ako. At napasabi siya ng good. Dito dalawa pala core nila, si Granger at si Goshen, kaya lamang tayo dito. At hanggang dito na lang ako mga kakanfay, at tignan nyo na lang ang mga nangyari sa game na to.
5 seconds till the enemy reaches the back.
Wow! Anong wow? Kuha muna tayo ng blow.
Needlework? Not my thing.
Try natin kunin tong Leto na to. O yun, ang Goshen, nandito pala.
Any place is within reach for me.
Pitas na to. Yun, first blood.
Don't mind me, just I will fight alongside you, brother.
Abang tayo dito. Oops,
Where are you
nag-flicker.
looking? I am here.
Oh, yun. Takas muna tayo. Naku, yung Granger. Anawit. Nawala pa yung net. Pitas tayo dito.
Request backup. You have been slain. My body feels heavy.
Mukhang nagto-turtle sila. Try natin puntahan.
Initiate retreat. Launch attack.
At yun nga. Oh, uy, nakuha pa natin. Yun, pitas ka. Ah, nakatakas pa. At alis muna tayo.
My brother and I will shoulder the family
Putit
glory.
muna tayo sa MM. Mukhang kawawa yung MM natin dito. Uy, nandito pa yung Granger. Oh, bang, bigyan ka. Up. Oops, napitas pa tayo.
Fall.
Enemy double kill. An ally has been destroyed. Launch attack.
Contest natin to. Mukhang kaya ko tong retrihin. Eh, yun, nakuha pa rin.
An ally has slain.
Oops, nag-flicker pa yung Trisla dun. Takas mo lang tayo.
Has been slain. Double kill.
Landing on a surprise attack.
An ally has been slain.
Yun, nabigyan yung Layla natin. Bigyan din natin to. Kaya to. Kahit nasa tower. Oh, Mia.
Launch attack. Okay.
Yun.
You have slain an enemy.
Are
Initiate
never meant to be
retreat.
caged.
Okay. You destroyed a turret.
Bigyan ulit natin tong Mia na to.
Your team destroyed a turret. Our turret has been destroyed.
Uy, nandito pala. Kawit, sakit na ng Mia na to.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Uy, nag-trust talk. Durog daw.
Initiate retreat. Okay.
thinking?
You have slain an enemy. Launch attack. Okay. Attack.
Oops, nandito yung Granger. Yun.
Fully
Oh, pitas ka sa akin.
slain an enemy. Initiate
I went a bit too far.
Understood.
Uy, nag-chat yung Mia, huliin daw siya. Yun, nagpakita ka, huliin ka na. Sige, huliin kita.
been destroyed. Launch
Oops,
attack.
nag-ulti ka na. Oop, may winchan ka pa. Huli ka natin. Boom, yun, pitas ka tuloy. Sige, tipihan natin, tipihan para magalit. Yun, tipi-tipi.
Our turret has been
Oh,
destroyed.
nawala. Oops, nandito pala yung Granger, nag-block. Pitas ka na naman.
Dark bully.
Yun.
Attack.
Hinabol mo yung sun namin. Hindi. Kibol-kibol lang tayo dito. Yup. Up.
Initiate
Yup.
retreat.
Nag-ulti na. Yup. Yun, pitas na to. Yup. Gusion.
Fully exhausted.
Yun, double kill.
Launch attack. Okay. An ally has slain Lord.
Try natin pasukin to.
Initiate retreat.
Yun. Up. Granger. Ah, naubusan ako na energy. Yun, may Lord naman. Mukhang panalo na to. Yun, masakit na yung Layla din. Ay, napaka long range ng Layla.
Slain. Shut down.
Yun.
Legendary.
Mukhang may nanalo na.
Double kill.
At yun nga. Victory!
Victory.